Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another video. We will be going over one of my trades that I took today in my day. Overall, it was a very nice day. Overall, it was a green day, and I just want to share with you guys what I had traded on the day today and what my goals was. I did take a screenshot of my winnings, so people can take a look at my winnings and see how I trade the markets. And I only trade S&P 500 today, and my goal is to make 2% on the day every day and just collect my winnings and then move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my charts with you guys, so you can go ahead, as you can see right over here. My day starts off with taking a look at what happens in the pre-market and what happened in the previous day. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, I just want to show you something. That the 15-minute chart, it peaked back on November 22nd. It peaked here, it came back down here, it peaked here again on November 28th, which was yesterday. It dropped right back down here, and yesterday in the pre-market it broke this level, which was pretty cool. It broke this level, and at this point this would have became a new support area. As you can see, it broke it again. Retesting it is going to continue to fall down. But anyways, I want to talk about what I had traded today. We were pretty far away from this range, and I wanted to make some trades early in the morning because of my work schedule and how I trade. So I go in the 1-minute chart and I look at what were some of my support and resistance lines. So this was that box on the 15-minute chart. I do a line here, which was a resistance line, and then I do a line here, which was a resistance line, and I do this box on the 2-minute chart. Oops, let me remove that. I do this box on the 2-minute chart over here. That basically saying if it comes into this box, there's a huge sell-off. Again, I'm gonna be micromanaging this trade, so it won't be perfect, it won't be clean, but this is what you want to look for, especially if you want to make small jabs in the market. So you go on the 1-minute chart and the market open, and I'm just going to talk to you guys about what my thought process was in this trade. Okay, so the market opens, and here's that box that I'm looking at. Come 9:30, we're still at now. Here I did not take any trade. Here I was holding off onto my trades, and I just wanted to see how this thing is going to be worked out. Okay, so this was the pre-market high, right? And I wanted to see it work. So my first play, my first position, was, let me see if I can get an icon. Are there any, like, an arrow that I can? Whatever. Okay. Whatever. It doesn't matter. So this was a pre-market high. Sorry, getting carried away. This was a pre-market high, and it broke the pre-market high over here. And my first position was, I'm just gonna circle it right here. I went into calls on the break and close above the pre-market high. Okay, I went to calls here. And my profit target, at this point none of these positions were made, so there was no profit target. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. Only only these were there. I went to calls here, and the way I trade is I move my stop loss up every $2, I guess. So I kept moving my stop loss up, and I think I got stopped out around here. So it was a nice 5-6% win at that time, on my position. And then I start seeing some, a red candle here. That means the price got rejected at this point. So I was interested in seeing this zone. The price kept getting rejected here. I waited what's gonna happen here. So you see price got rejected here, and then over here price bounced right back up. You know, again, this is the pre-market high zone. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw another box right in this range, and I'm gonna color it green. And this box I'm gonna color it red because this was the rejection point. So rejection, came back down, back up. So my next play was, and this is interesting, I want to make sure you cover all the wicks. This wick goes wick, you know. So my next play was I wanted to go in calls after the break of this box. That's what happened. I went into calls after the break of this box, and I was holding it all the way here until I saw a little bit of red, which was right around here. So when the red came in, I got stopped out. That was also a good play. Now here it's the same situation. Here you can see red, you know, let's color this red. And we can see this is our rejection zone. You know, it came back up to this zone, it rejected it, but because we were on an uptrend, I didn't want to play puts yet. I waited for, I'm gonna extract the boxes here and extract the boxes here. You want to make sure these boxes are getting carried over every play you make, because these are our support resistance zones, if you will. My next play was the break of the uptrend line, the breach of this box, and I went to puts. Now when I went to puts, my profit taken target was this box right over here, but in this box as soon as I came here, I got stopped out, and I waited for this box to break, retest, and I went to puts again, and this was all my target. Anyways, I made about 2% on the day today, which was $191 for me. It worked out pretty well, and hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, I'm gonna be uploading all my winners and all my losers every single day, and just want to share with you what my thought process was. Hopefully guys you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Until next time, bye bye.